Has everyone enjoyed the weather the last couple weeks? I know I have. It's been pretty nice out. The thing is it shouldn't be this nice. It's too early. Spring is not until March 20th. So this increase in temperature has really got me interested, and I kind of wanted to look at it. So global warming is a problem. What I'm going to talk about today is what global warming means, how it's affecting us now, and how we can stop it. So first, let's talk about what global warming means and how it is different from climate change. So according to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, global warming refers to the recent and ongoing rise in global average temperature near Earth's surface. Climate change is any significant change in the measures of climate lasting for an extended period of time. So basically what this means is global warming is a type of climate change. So now let's talk about what global warming actually is. The National Resources Defense Council says global warming occurs when air pollutants and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface. Basically, us humans produce carbon, and that carbon bounces into the atmosphere, and the atmosphere traps in the carbon, and then the sunbeams come through, and then the carbon traps the sunbeams, and then increases surface temperature. So we are essentially doing this to ourselves. Now let's talk about the impacts of global warming. We can directly see the impacts of global warming on our daily lives. There's always been shifts in temperature. There's been ice ages. There's been two actually. But the reason that it's been so bad is we overproduce carbon, whether that be through power plants, our cars, our thermostats, believe it or not. According to the Union of Concerned Scientists, global warming is causing an increase in sea levels rising, an increase in heat waves, more extreme storms like hurricanes, and more droughts occurring. So why is this bad? Well, National Geographic says that global warming is changing the climate faster than some living things may be able to adapt. So if we keep this trend up, there can be an increase in sea levels rising because of the polar ice caps melting. So basically what would happen is the East Coast and the West Coast would flood. So thank God we live in the Midwest, that's for sure. Another problem that would occur is drought. So with a drought, that's food shortages. And without food, we can't live. And I don't know about you guys, but I kind of like foods. All right, let's talk about the things that we can do to change and so we can live longer. We need to start thinking about the future now. And the things that we can do are obviously lower the carbon. That's that easy. NASA says we can do this by increasing the energy efficiency of our cars, homes, and power plants. Basically, like I said earlier, turn our thermostats down, change to hybrid cars maybe, utilize power-producing things such as solar, wind, hydroelectric, and even biofuels. So in conclusion, we need to take the necessary steps to combat global warming. And we can do that by the ways I've talked about. So we need to wake up and realize what actually is happening to our world that we live in. Thank you.